Welcome into the channel, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are putting together a recipe for chicken tenders. We're going to be making a chicken tenders sandwich. Let's go ahead and get into it. For my seasonings that I'm using in this recipe, I'm going to be adding half of the amount to the buttermilk, and the other half I'll be adding to my flour that I'll be using for my batter. So that's what you see me doing here. For my chicken, I'm using boneless breast and boneless thighs. I'm letting my chicken soak overnight, but you can certainly choose to have yours to soak for a shorter period of time. It's just that I want the best flavor, so overnight it is for me. So I'm preparing my flour base now. I'm adding to it some cornstarch and the remainder of my seasonings. And I also decided to go ahead and add in some sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. I'm going to sift this 3 times to make sure it is blended well. And we will come back on tomorrow to go ahead and fry these up. So we are back and we're going to go ahead and fry these up. Now I initially was going to double dip these, but I tried one first before I did all the others to see if I would like it. And that turned out to just be too much breading for me. So I only dipped these once in my flour, and that is the way that I prefer to do it. You can, of course, double dip if you would like, but that's just too much breading for me. Now before dropping these, you certainly want to make sure that your cooking oil is hot and move them around to separate them so that they're not sticking and everything cooks evenly. Here's a look-see so that you can get an idea of what the inside looks like. These are so tender, guys. All right, so these are our chicken tenders. I think they came out great. And to prepare our spread, I'm using a mixture of the barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, and honey mustard.
Distance ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach, yeah, give me coach, nah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a coast. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, my no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me, not true no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl, and my darling, would you?